Hi, this is Chris Terranova from Sportsland up here in Salt Lake City. We're going to go over the MPG 3100BH. This is the 2022 version. I'm going to start right here at the door. We're going to start with a nice little assist handle. So as you step up, you have a little handle to hold on to gives you a little better for balance. You notice we got these nice MORryde wide steps, so it's going to be a little easier on your legs and your back and your knees and your ankles. Nice friction hinge door. You don't have to worry about clips anymore. Keeps that from the wind blowing it back and forth. Full side awning with the LED light system on it. We're going to move up here to the front. We got your electric stabilizing jacks. It's just quick, easy. Just push the little button to extend and retract. Once it hits tension on one side, the other side will tension, so it gives you a nice stabilizing. Inside here, you got this nice big compartment. This is for all your tubs, extra stuff you got to put in. What I like about this 2022 is you got this little hidden compartment. Got a magnet right there that holds that little door up, and then when you pull this out, it's on wheel, so you can pull it all the way out here, so you can put stuff in here and get to it a little easier. Okay, it is fully insulated, and if you look underneath, you can see this is an aluminum frame with a nice plywood top. It's going to be designed just like inside the trailer. LED lights so you can see in the evening. Come up here to the front, you got the nice fiberglass front cap, painted fiberglass. You got LED lights up top and on the bottom, so at nighttime when you're coming back to your trailer, if you need to find it, it's all lit up so you can see it. 2 propane tanks come standard with this trailer. You're going to have your electric lift here with the light, so when you're backing up at night, you can see where you're trying to back up to. It's really, really convenient that way. Going to move over to this side here. Right here you got a solar charge. This is for when you have that portable solar panel. You can plug it in right there and it's going to go straight to your battery and keep your battery trickle charging, so you always have a full battery. If you look at the doors, they're a nice thick latch door, not those little cheap twist type doors, and they're magnetized, so that's really nice, convenient. You don't have to worry about holding it with your head and it falling down. On the slide out, you see this little strip right here. What that does is it keeps the seal going the right direction when it goes in and out. That's just kind of one of those little features they put on there to make it really, really nice. You see you got 2 big slide outs on this side. Right here is going to be all your connections. So you have your power cord connection right there, and I think the power cord's about a 50-foot long power cord. You have your spray port right there. You plug in, you have a little nozzle to spray. What that does is anytime your kids are dirty or your feet are dirty, you want to spray them all off. It's kind of like a little shower. You have your city water connection. That is going to be for your garden hose. You plug in there anytime you're at an RV park or a campground that has the constant water. You plug it in there, turn it on so you have constant water. Always make sure you have a regulator so you're not getting too much water. Black tank flush. This is going to have like a little shower head inside the black tank, so when you're draining your black tank, it flushes all the water out and keeps that tank clean of all particles, so you always know if it's full or not. And then anytime you're at an RV park, if you want satellite and TV, you always have it. Just plugs in right here. Now your camper will have it. And then your fresh tank. That's where you fill up your fresh tank with fresh water, so when you go dry camping, you have your water with you. You're gonna have the capped bumper where your tube's gonna go for your draining your black tank. This is one of the new things that the 2022s have. It's gonna have this little swing arm. And this is gonna be for a barbecue. You can bring this around like this and slide this little barbecue, which comes with the trailer. This right here will slide on right here, so you have a separate little barbecue. And then you have your outside kitchen, which is kind of nice. You got your little fridge right here, so you can have your drinks, your condiments, your ketchups, mustard, stuff like that inside there. Nice little drawers here for silverware or anything you need for your barbecues. Sink so you can keep your hands clean, so when you're cooking you're not going to get anything dirty or anything like that. And then of course there's 2 little burner stove right here. Makes everything really convenient. A lot of people don't like cooking like bacon inside, so here you go, you have a nice outside kitchen. You can cook the bacon, not stink up the trailer itself. Okay, you're going to have a separate door. You have a back door that's going to be really nice to get into the bathroom. That way you're not walking through the whole trailer to get to a bathroom. You can get into it outside here and then back out, so you're not tracking mud and dirt inside. So let's step inside now. Inside the kitchen, you have the nice countertop, so you have plenty of room to do your prepping and cooking. You get your high-rise faucet, and then you're going to have your stainless steel deep farm sink, which makes really convenient for cleaning. You're going to have these nice cabinets up here. These are real doors with a nice glass covers, so you have plenty of room inside to store any of your pots, your pans, your dry goods, stuff like that. Got a nice little microwave above head, which is easier to get to. Then you got your nice hood range there, and then you got a 3-burner stove, which makes it really nice. They're lit up really well. Just a beautiful thing. This is your backsplash, which is kind of nice, and then it covers so it looks really good. And of course your standard oven that comes with most MPGs, with all MPGs. You're gonna have storage underneath, so again you can put pots, pans, anything you need down there. And then these are the hidden hinges, which is always really nice to have. Drawers, like I said, you got storage everywhere for all your tools, utensils, any of that kind of stuff. You got yourself your 8 cubic foot fridge, which is kind of standard now with the easy latch. You just pull it forward and it opens right up. Makes it really convenient. AC unit, you're on the track system, so it's going to evenly distribute air conditioning through the whole trailer. So you're not going to have a hot spot here, cold spot here. It should be tracked through the whole trailer evenly. Thermostat right here. It's a nice electronic thermostat. Push it, set it to whatever you want. That way the trailer's always set at what you need. Again, here's your side door for your bathroom. If you go inside, you're going to see you have a nice little cabinet. You got a place for all your toothpaste, stuff like that. Then again, nice faucets, deep sink. Again, nice little cabinet for all your other stuff. A decent sized shower. You can see you can climb inside here. You got enough room. Even if you're taller, you're going to have enough room to get in here. You may have to bend down a little bit, but it's a nice size shower when you need to take those showers. Okay. Now you have these nice little cabinets right here, so you can put more of your dry goods or extra blankets, pillows, anything you need the extra storage for. This trailer's got it. Now we're going to come back here to the entertainment for the children. This is going to be the bunk houses. It's a whole separate room in this trailer. You're going to have one bed here, you're going to have another bed here, and then that one will fold into a bed as well. Inside this little spot right here, it is all made for a TV, so they can have their own TV. So when the kids want to get away, you as parents, you want to have your own movie going on, the kids don't want to watch it or whatever, they can come in here and get away from everybody else and kind of have their own thing. Nice little safety steps so they can get up onto this bunk really easy. Again, storage. There's lots of storage in here. You got cabinets. Again, hidden hinges. This bed right here does lift up, and you just latch it right here and it will stay up there so they can sit here. They have little cup holders for drinks when they're watching their TV. Okay. Now we're going to come out here to the kitchen. Okay, now you got this nice little dinette set here. There's enough room for 2 people on each side. Depending on the children, you can even get 3 people on the inside. There's going to be storage underneath, which is always nice. Again, extra blankets, pillows, board games, anything you guys need to store, you can. You got this 3-person couch right here. Right next to the couch is going to be USB ports so you can plug in for your phones or tablets, stuff like that. And of course, this is a hideaway bed that you can pull out to make a bed, but it is a nice little cloth couch, comfortable to sit on, so when you're sitting down you can watch your TV, because the TV will pull out, but it's not uncomfortable to sit on. Okay, so the TV does pull out like so you can rotate it. I believe this is a 32-inch TV, which is a nice size. And then of course your Furrion sound bar, which is going to control radio, your TV, any of the entertainment you got going on the trailer. More storage. Again, this is going to be where you put your DVDs, board games, or just whatever you need inside here. Now let's go into the bedroom. You can see you have two doors. You have a his and her door. All MPGs are going to come with king size beds. Okay, so if you look inside here, you see this is a big old king size bed. There's going to be plenty of room for the Mr. and Mrs. and grandkids or kids, however you want, but there's plenty of room. But if you notice, there's storage everywhere. You got storage up above, cabinets. Inside here, you're going to see they got hanger poles so you can hang clothes up inside here. So underneath here you got plugs. You got USB plugs here, and then you have your 110 outlet. So for those people who use CPAP machines, you can actually plug your CPAP in and have it right here so you have your CPAP. Now, one of the cool things about this bed is it is movable, so it slides back and forth. But underneath right here is a pass-through that goes all the way underneath so you can put more storage under here. You just slide the bed back and forth to get to the side of what you need. Okay, inside here there's also a backer location right here. So if you want to put a TV in here, you can actually put a TV right here. All your plugs and hookups are there. Again, AC vents right here on that track system, and then you have your vent right there. So if you want to just get some fresh air, it's always nice. The blinds are really simple. They're just a quick, easy pull down blind. And then you have your emergency exit windows. You just pop these out. So if you want that fresh air breeze coming in, it's really easy and simple. This is your control panel. This right here, this is the most important one. When you're done camping, when you're not plugged in anywhere, if you push this button right in here, what that does is shut all the power to the batteries. It's a kill switch. So when you're done camping, you have your trailer parked to the side of the house, push that button in, you don't have to worry about your batteries dying. Again, this is Chris from Motor Sportsland. This is the MPG 3100BH 2022. If you have any questions, you want to come in and take a look at it, come on into Motor Sportsland.